Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Kunal Pakhira from grade 10 ICSE. I have scored 98.6% in my board exams with the help of universal tutorials. The test series program has helped me immensely during my preparation as it simulated real exam conditions while and had pattern questions which helped me prepare for the real deal. The uh, the timings were also very flexible as I could give the test anytime as if I was well prepared. This helped me plan properly as to when and how I was going to give the tests. The online testing portal was also very helpful in during times when I could not go to the coaching center. I would like to thank the UT coaching staff for helping me during the board exams with their paper correction remarks, and my parents as well as my sister for continuously giving their support during these exams. Thank you.